Making a refreshing fruit salad. Creating a refreshing fruit salad is a delightful way to enjoy various fruits. You will need 2 apples, 2 oranges, a bunch of grapes, 1 banana, 1 cup of chopped pineapple, 2 tablespoons of honey, and a sprinkle of cinnamon. Start by washing all the fruits thoroughly under running water. Peel the oranges and remove the seeds, then cut them into bite-sized pieces. Cut the apples into similar-sized pieces, removing the core and seeds. Slice the banana and halve the grapes. In a large mixing bowl, combine all the prepared fruits. Drizzle the honey over the fruits and sprinkle a pinch of cinnamon. Toss the fruits gently to coat them evenly with the honey and cinnamon. Chill the fruit salad in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes before serving. This allows the flavors to melt together, enhancing the overall taste of the salad. Serve the chilled fruit salad in individual bowls and enjoy a refreshing and healthy dessert or snack, full of natural sweetness and vibrant colors.